going to show you how I pack my family. Well, myself and my 2 children. My husband says he's gonna pack himself, so we'll see about that. So yes, so for a trip to Europe, we're gonna be gone for about almost a month. So I need a few things. So this is about most of it. I am missing one dress, which is at the dry cleaners, which I should be picking up tomorrow. And then but I think all of my other stuff, yes, I need 2 more bras to put in there, and then the rest of it I think is it. So these are my t-shirts that I'm packing, and these are tanks. Then I'm packing several different shorts, some Bermuda shorts, and then a capris. Then I've got my pajamas and my cover up, my bathing suits and my cover up. This is my underwear, bras and socks, and then I've got a skirt, just like a casual dress, another summer dress, and this one, if you watched my try on haul, summer haul, some of these dresses were in it. And then in my carry-on, which I kind of already started packing, I have a couple, I think I have 2 shirts and a pair of shorts in here, and some underwear and whatnot to change into in case if something happens with my luggage, so I have a little bit of a backup. And then I have all of my shoes, so taking 2 of these because my daughter's gonna wear these. We just need water shoes because when we go to the coast, some of the beaches are a little rocky, so I'm packing 2 pairs, and one will be for my daughter. Then I'm packing my like a beach flip-flops, then my Birks, and then over here I have my sandals, just cheap Old Navy flip-flops, some high heels, dress shoes, and then I also have 2 beach bags over here. I think I can probably fit a little bit more, but for now that's it. I'm traveling in these shoes, so, and I'm gonna try and pack this up in the cubes, well, most of it except maybe not the dresses. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do that. so far. I have my packing cubes here, my big ones, so they fit nicely, and then there's a little bit of space here, so I had put my charger there, and then over here I have my toiletries, my undergarments and bras, and a purse. And I think this is it for this suitcase because I think I'm at my weight capacity. So I'm going to have to put like my shower stuff and sunscreen and stuff into the my daughter's, probably she'll have the least. And then in my carry-on I just put all my shoes and my bags. And then over here I have a change of clothes and some more shoes. So and in here I just put some feminine products. And I think that's it for this one. And now I'm working on my kids, and I'll show you what that looks like. So before I start packing the rest of the family, another thing that I decided to settle is the jewelry. So I am using this jewelry organizer from 31, and I already put some stuff in it. So I have this ring, which came from Stella & Dot, and then these two necklaces, which came from Ricky's, and I'm pretty sure this one came from Ricky's as well. Well, most of my jewelry is from Ricky's. If you don't know what Ricky's is, I'm pretty sure it is a Canadian retail store, and they sell women's clothing. So, and they also sell jewelry, and they tend to have pretty good deals. This is not like a high-end jewelry, but I only wear it occasionally, not every day, so I don't mind buying cheaper stuff because it doesn't get a lot of wear. So this one is from there as well. This one I think I had ordered online, I think from AliExpress. I think I thought I was getting one, but I ended up getting like 4 or 5 of them for like $2 or something like that. So I ended up giving away quite a bit of them, but so I'm gonna take that one. And then I have this one, which is like a rose gold, and I have no idea, I think this came from like Ardene's or Claire's. It's just my bed is a mess because I'm trying to do it on top here, so it's just a long one like that. And then I have a really nice summer dress that I think this would go with it. So this one came from Dominican Republic when we were on vacation. Then I'm packing this coral one, which can be bracelet or necklace. This as well came from Stella & Dot. This one, I think my kids got me this, and I don't know where they got this from, but they got it, and I just like it because it's just a fun summer bracelet. Then I've got this bracelet, and it's not from Stella & Dot. I forget what the name of the company. If I remember, I will link it down below. Another Stella & Dot piece, and I have a matching ring to go with it, and a rose gold Stella & Dot. And then just this one, and I'm missing a black one that goes with it. Again, just something that I would wear just during the day, just something fun to accessorize. And then thinking I'm gonna pack these as well, and these earrings. So I'm gonna put all this in so you see what it looks like. Okay, so here it is. And I decided I'm not gonna put those two in here because I'm too scared that they're gonna break my watch. So I'm gonna just put those separately, maybe in these jewelry bags that I have, just so they stay protected a little bit. So, and I'm going to be putting this in a carry-on because I do not want to, I don't know. The watches are like, I put watches in, and they're Michael Kors and Fossil watches, so I just want to keep that close to me. Okay, I think I am just about done. I just have to get my son to come and pick out an outfit for travel because I have told him about a gazillion times and he just keeps giving me all the clothes and forgetting to pick it out. So, and then over here, I'm pretty sure he's traveling in these shoes, but he gave them to pack up. So just a few minor adjustments. There's all of his clothes, but he still has tons of room in here to go, and I haven't even expanded the what's it called, suitcase all the way. And he has room over on this side. So this is just some candy that I'm packing to give away while I'm there. We're packing some of our shakes for the morning to have in case if my husband and I don't feel like eating breakfast, we can just have a quick shake. That's that electronics charger, his toiletries, and then over here are clothes. And then this is my husband's suitcase as well. It's not actually it is expanded, but it's not filled up all the way, and he just has to sort out his electronics. I had to give him some of my stuff, which is my straightener, and then this is his carry-on, which again is not completely full. He has to give me some of his shoes, but he's still wearing them, so, and I'm not quite sure what he's traveling in either as far as shoes go, but I know he's not traveling in those, so he just has to give those to come here. And then mine's over there, which I did give you a tour of mine, what it looks like. I ended up having to change stuff around because I was a bit overweight, so I ended up moving some stuff over to my husband's. And then there's my carry-on with all my shoes. I ended up packing hiking shoes. I have summer hiking shoes because I didn't want to wear my Adidas cloth running shoes when we go hiking, because there are going to be some spots that we're going to hike, so, and I didn't want them to get all dirty. And then over here is my daughter's carry-on, but it has also some of my stuff, which is just my sunglasses and my jewelry. And then over here is her suitcase, which I'm gonna, well, I did weigh it and I'm not over, so which is good. And there's still some more of that candy that I'm gonna be giving away. And then there's her clothes. I actually end up packing almost all of her clothes in the cube, just like mine, but my husband and my son only have few items in the cubes because I don't have enough cubes to pack everybody in a cube. So I think this is pretty organized, I think, in my mind, but I think I'm gonna leave it at this. We already did a dry run to see how these fit in our van to go to the airport, because there's 2 more people coming with us on this flight, so on this trip. So and they're all coming in our van, so there's 6 people total going in a van with, we each have 2, so that's 8 suitcases plus the carry-on bags, like backpacks. And then my mother-in-law has 2 full-size suitcases and 1 carry-on, and my stepdaughter has just the same as us, full like a suitcase and a carry-on. So we had to do a dry run to see how things fit in a van, whether we were going to have to enlist my brother-in-law to drive us, to drive our suitcases, but we managed to fit them all into our caravan. So yeah, so we're ready to go, and I'm gonna, like I said, leave it at this, and until next time, have a wonderful day.